In this video, we will discuss how the unified namespace can serve as the backbone of your organization's digital transformation journey. At its core, digital transformation is about taking traditional manufacturing processes, adding in new digital technologies, and infusing these new technologies at every step of the operation. What that helps with is that it allows organizations to harness data, automate processes, and unlock new insights. Now, the question is, how do you reliably integrate these new digital technologies into your existing operations? That is where the unified namespace comes in. The unified namespace allows you to connect to and collect data from brownfield equipment the same way that you collect data from your greenfield systems, then bring that information together and organize it in a semantic hierarchy, effectively creating a single source of truth where everyone can tap into to address all the data use cases. And because of that, the unified namespace allows the bridging of the gap between your shop floor and your top floor, allowing the information to seamlessly move across these domains and enabling faster decision making. Now, because the unified namespace is a single source of truth with events that are being published from the shop floor and top floor in real time, it allows you to create a responsive system where, to address your digital transformation use cases, you're able to respond in real time, which allows you to minimize downtime, optimize production scheduling, and also take corrective measures to interfere when a bad quality issue arises. In short, the unified namespace is an architecture that allows you to decouple all your systems and enable the flexible integration of new digital technologies into your existing traditional manufacturing operations to enable you to address all the digital transformation use cases such as predictive maintenance, quality assurance, digital twins, and all the likes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.